Neville, seriously, stop. Stop it, no. Behave.
So if I am the elder, I can have a moment of silence and just think of things.
Think of what? Happy
Life
thoughts?
in general.
Not while we're on the table and doing the work.
All right, since I have to do it.
Yes, you
let
have
me
to do it.
And you know, them give me the bad news.
Okay, you want me to do the
Boy,
bad news?
what a fire. When was it?
Yesterday morning, 1
yeah,
1 a.m.
1 a.m. London time. And now we're told that 17 dead, and they still can't find a lot of people. Apparently, the firefighters can't get to certain areas. They said there are still unknown numbers of people in the smoldering ruins. It's called Grenfell Tower in North Kensington, which is West London. Horrific fire. Look at that.
What I was reading,
Yep.
and they said that the witnesses that were out watching what was happening, they actually saw bodies of people who
Yeah, man.
just
Yeah,
decided it was either burning or jumping and having a chance.
Yeah,
and
there was
they
a picture that
jumped.
someone actually just threw his son out, and they actually
but
caught.
that baby lived. I'm
Yeah.
talking, these people
Yeah.
didn't. They just jumped.
Yeah. They said more than 30 people remain in hospital, 17 of whom are in critical condition, which is not good news.
No.
They said the cause of the fire, and it says that it took more than 24 hours to bring under control, and they still don't know why. A number of people have gone up to lend support, which is just sad news.
It's really, really sad.
And then yesterday in the United States,
The shooting.
yeah, there's a baseball game that happens between the congressmen of the Democrats and the Republicans. And the Republicans were training yesterday. And a couple of them said, well, they wanted to beat the traffic, so they stopped training. And this man walked up to them and said, who training, Republicans or Democrats? And they said, Republicans. And the man just go in the car and just open fire.
66 years old.
Yep.
The shooter.
He shot the third-ranked Republican. And at first they said he got hit in his hip, which was not a problem because there are no vital organs there. But apparently the bullet shattered his bones and now hit some organs, and apparently he's in critical condition. The man just walked up and just say him want to kill some Republicans.
Yeah.
Whew. All right. What's going on
Craziness in
again
the
now?
world. Apparently, there are some countries that are denying us, as Jamaicans, jobs under the CSME. And Member of Parliament MP Michael Phillips has called for a pushback against CARICOM, against the countries that are shutting us out. Who does it affect? Usually nurses with diplomas, associate degrees, artisans, level 2 CVQ from heart, domestic workers, holders of associate degrees or comparable qualifications. So can you explain to me why it is that they're trying to shut us out? Because
I've never understood the whole idea
of the CSME.
Here I do understand. Because from what I understand, you're supposed to just get up and you can come
Sure,
to any
right.
country
You go through
in
the whole of the
region,
Caribbean,
and you
or
can
the
just go get a work.
countries.
Well, no, because if we have huge unemployment in Jamaica, even though you're our friends from Trinidad and Tobago and Guyana,
Then them can't come over here because there's no work.
there's no work. But why would they come and get a job?
Over
if-
me?
That's
You
my
mean
point.
over me as a Jamaican?
That's my point. You know?
Yeah, that don't make
so
sense.
it makes sense that
Well,
we should have free movement and stuff.
Suppose they're more qualified for the job than you.
But they're not Jamaicans.
I understand that.
what
I
you're
understand
saying
that.
to
But
you.
if they come here more qualified than me, you don't think they should get the job?
You see, in football, in England said the only way you can get a football contract if you're an outsider is if you play 7 out of 10 games for your national senior team for the year. In other words,
You have to pay your dues to your own country before you come over here?
no, they are saying as long as we have somebody very good like you can't get that position.
Got it.
So if I'm a goalkeeper from Jamaica and you're a goalkeeper in England, if
The
I am not
England
one of the
one will
greatest
get it.
goalkeepers in the world, I am not going to get it because they say
we have somebody who's just as good or better.
Which is the suggestion I'm making here. I think that we should have free movement. But I don't necessarily want somebody to come take my job who is not Jamaican if I'm qualified
But then
for the
that
job.
would never work because then nobody would ever get jobs in the other
No,
countries
remember I
because
said
we
if
have
I am
enough.
qualified for the job. Now, if I don't qualify for the job and somebody else comes and the company wants to use them, then fine. But it's something that I really don't understand fully.
I think they're just trying to have
Even
us
though I
operate as
understand what
one
Mr.
big
Phillips
country.
is. Right. I understand what Mr. Phillips is saying. But
Right.
we have some issues. The same way some people don't want us in them country.
Precisely.
Even though
Yeah.
we in the
ain't-
CSME
no,
or
I don't know.
whatever. I don't
Yeah.
understand it.
All right.
Anyway.
What's next?
Cornwall Regional received $10 million and apparently they need much more than that.
But 10 million Jamaican dollar can buy probably one piece of equipment. They need a lot more than
Right,
that.
anything can help.
Of course.
We need so much help. Where are they getting it from, by the way?
Rainforest Seafoods.
Excellent.
They gave the money.
Yeah, that's my friend Adam Stewart right there.
Yeah.
Cornwall Regional in Montego Bay. There you go. They've had
You
some
heard that
issues.
they raised 23 million so
They've had
far.
some issues recently, haven't they?
Yeah. A whole heap.
All right.
Fire and all sort of madness.
All right.
So we have good news at the end.
Yeah.
A little
Yeah.
bit, maybe.
You know, I don't think we've officially said congrats to all the kids who
Did you?
did GSAT and you got to schools. I know.
Go, little brown.
I've said it before. I think it's child abuse. I've said it before. I would genuinely think so. We'll speak about that later.